Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I've been using this little vacuum to get into all those nooks and crannies that collect dust and dirt and keep my car sparkling clean. And I really like the ergonomic shape of the handle. This is different from some other small vacuums that I've had before, and it makes it really comfortable to use. And I find that I'm not hitting the on and off button like I do with just a cylindrical vacuum cleaner. This comes with a lot of nice pieces that you can use to really get into cracks. And I was very impressed by this piece that I used to vacuum the carpet in my car, because as you can see, it had some dust and dirt and pine needles, and it helped to scrub that off and vacuum it up. I really like the long implement with the brush on the end because I've been using that to dust. It worked really well on getting into the areas of my oil heater that had dust caked on it, and then I love that it just vacuums it up, so I don't have to worry about the dust getting all over. Of course, it works really well on carpet and on hardwood, and if you use the attachment on the back side of the vacuum, you can use it on areas like your keyboard where the dust really gets in, and you can use it like you would one of those canned air things. This has 2 different speeds, and I find myself using it on the higher speed most of the time, and with that the battery lasts about half an hour. So it's really nice that you can just recharge it and not have to worry about replacing batteries when it dies, and then you can just start using it again. This is a great little vacuum. It has strong suction, lots of different pieces that you can use to really get into those dirty areas, and that's my point of view.